Let's go. Oh. Skill that 2 idiot again. Oh, so ingay, tangina. Skill that 2 idiot. Okay. Just watch my move again. Namanggid na. It's with the weapons. Oh. It's with the weapons. 80 seconds. Left. Second. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Goldfish. Just wait, okay. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh. I kill this idiot because he's so pro. This one guy. This blue red hair. This is London RB or not? I think it's fake. Fake London RB. Fake, you're fake. Because you're on top of balloons. Like worth 100k and the face, so proper face. And fedora, yellow fedora. Kill this idiot. Oh, I kill this fucking Kinadrian. Let's kill that. Wait, let me change my settings. Get off. Oh, jump first, cause. Oh, go die. Go die. Don't use. Oh, he's using autoclicker. Oh my god. Using autoclicker. Oh, so noob using autoclicker, but noob. Oh my god, I got win again.